in problem 9, part A, what I want to do is find the value of an account where the interest is compounded continuously. Now this is one of the formulas I expect you to memorize. The continuously compound interest formula, or the PERT formula, is A equals principal times E to the rate times time. And all we have to do is really plug the numbers in where they go. $6,000, since that's a starting amount, that's going to be our principal. E is E. The 6.3% annual interest, that's our interest rate. Pay attention and make sure that when you write that percent, you move that decimal over 2 places, so you're using 0.063. And then the time is 11 years. Of course, what we want is the value of the account at the end, and that's what A is. Now that we have the expression all written out and we don't have any variables mixed in on the right side, this is just a matter of typing it into our calculator. And if you do that correctly, you should end up with $11,998.23. Now I'm going to ask you this second question as well, and that is how long it's going to take for the account to reach a certain value. Again, we need to remember our PERT formula, and that is that the amount in the account is equal to the principal times E to the rate times time. And we use this formula because this is continuously compounded interest. Anyway, again, plug in all the numbers where they go. Since $6,000 is the initial investment, that's the principal times E to the interest rate, 6.3%. Again, use 0.063. Now we want to know how long it will take for the account to reach a value of 8,500. So the 8,500 goes on the left side, and we need to solve this equation for T. Now it's not going to be as easy as just plugging numbers into the calculator this time. So the first thing to do is divide by 6,000 on both sides. These ones will cancel and leave us with 1.416 e to the 0.063 t. To get rid of a base, we're going to use a log, and the log base e is the natural log. So I'm going to go natural log of 1.416 and the natural log of e to the 0.063 t. On the right side, the natural log and e will cancel. On the left side, we'll get a decimal of 0.348. On the right side, we're left with 0.063 t. So divide by 0.063 to finish it off. And you'll find out that t is equal to 5.528. Now remember, this is a word problem, so that 5.528 is really 5.5 years.